Now is the season for green beans to hit the market in
Today
large
we are
quantities.
pairing
Green beans with a potato. Let me share with you a delicious meal. Here we go. Let's see how it's done. We start by taking the string beans head and tail off. Now, when picking out green beans, be sure to pinch them by hand. Tear off the old tendons next to it, otherwise it will affect the taste. After all done, put it in a larger bowl. Next, pour some water into it. Add another spoonful of salt. Let's wash the green beans with light salt water. This not only removes dust and impurities on the surface of green beans, it can also remove the eggs in the green beans. After washing, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a bigger potato. It is better to choose this yellow-skinned potato. Peel off the potato peels with a peeler first. After peeling, wash it and put it on the cutting board. First, cut the potatoes into 6 slices about 1 centimeter wide. Then I cut it into long strips. Finally, cut all the potatoes into small cubes. After cutting, put it in the water. Wash the starch off the surface of the potatoes by hand. Control the moisture after cutting. Put it on a plate for later use. Next, prepare a piece of fresh pork belly. First, cut it into about 1 centimeter 6 slices. Then change the knife and cut it all into long strips. If there is no pork belly, you can use lard, because when frying vegetables, use a little meat oil. Tastes better. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare half an onion. Cut it into 6 slices first. Then change the knife and cut it into small squares. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare some ginger and garlic. Slice it up. And then chop them all up. Just cut the minced ginger and garlic like this. Cut it all and put it in a small bowl for later use. Prepare some green and red peppers. Cut it in circles. If you don't like chili, you can leave it alone. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Finally, prepare 2 green onions. Cut into scallions. Put the scallion white and scallion leaves separately. Finally, prepare a tomato. Cut it in half and then cut it into small pieces. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce to a small bowl. Oyster sauce to freshen up. Add a spoonful of sesame oil, a little sugar, appropriate amount of salt. Finally, add half a spoonful of cornstarch. Then stir well with a spoon. Stir well and set aside for later use. Pour a little more water into the pot. Bring it to a boil over high heat. After boiling, pour the potatoes down and blanch the water. Flip it with a colander. Let it heat evenly. Cook the potatoes until they are ripe. Then use a colander to control the water and remove it. Put it on a plate for later use. And then you pour the green beans down. Blanch the water too. Remove oxalic acid from string beans. When we were frying string beans, be sure to cook it. After cooking, pick it out with chopsticks. Put it on the cutting board. Next, cut the green beans into small pieces. After all are cut, put it on a plate for later use. Then we add the right amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the pork belly down and fry until fragrant. Fry the pork belly until it changes color. Stir fry the oil in the pork belly. When fried until the surface is pour down all the yellow, ginger, garlic and chili and fry until fragrant. Add the potatoes after. Green beans also pour down. Then turn on a fire and stir fry quickly. First fry the moisture on the surface of the ingredients dry enough. When it's done, add the onions and tomatoes. All the prepared ingredients are also poured in. Then quickly stir fry evenly. Let all the wood absorb the aroma of the sauce. Add the cut scallions before they come out of the pot. Continue to stir fry quickly a few times. Fry the scallions inside until they die and then they can come out of the pot. And then we put it on the plate. You can enjoy it beautifully. Green beans with potatoes is tender and crisp. Nutritious. It's good to drink and eat. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video will be shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. I post a different food video every day. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.